Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to the class. Myself Inama Rajawat from Shivjyoti Educational Group, Kota. Kids, in early class we have done number names 21 to 40 in your maths workbook 1. Kids, do you remember what is the spelling of 40? Let's revise. 40 F-O-R-T-Y 40 F-O-R-T-Y 40. Kids, today we will learn to write number names 41 to 50 in your maths workbook 2. So, take out your maths workbook 2. Open the page number 9. Kids, don't forget to mention the date and classwork. Yes, kids, get ready to write. Take out your pencil. Write number names 41 to 50. Kids, which number is written here? Yes, 41. Kids, what is the spelling of 41? Yes, F-O-R-T-Y 40 O-N-E 1. Now we will write here. Kids, write in small cursive letters and in beautiful writing. Now speak and write F-O-R-T-Y 40. Now kids, what we will write after the spelling of 40? Yes, the spelling of 1. So kids, write the spelling of 1. O-N-E 1. 41 F-O-R-T-Y 40 O-N-E 1. Yes kids, next is 42. So kids, what should I write here? Yes, the spelling of 42. So speak and write F-O-R-T-Y 40. Now, what we will write after the spelling of 40? Yes, the spelling of 2. So, kids, write the spelling of 2 like this. T-W-O 2. 42. 42. F-O-R-T-Y 40 T-W-O 2. Now, which number is written here? Yes, 43. Now we will write the spelling of 43. Speak and write F-O-R-T-Y 40. Now write the spelling of 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 43. F-O-R-T-Y 40 T-H-R-E-E 3. 43. Next number is 44. Kids, what is the spelling of 44? Yes, F-O-R-T-Y 40 F-O-U-R 4. Now we will write here the spelling of 44. 4. So kids, speak and write F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Write the spelling of 4. Speak and write F-O-U-R. 4. 44. 4 4 44. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. F-O-U-R. 4. 44. Now which number is written here? 4 5 45. Now we will write the spelling of 45. Write F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Write the spelling of 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 45. 4 5 45. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. F-I-V-E. 5. Next number is 46. 4 6 46. Write the spelling of 46. Speak and write F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Now kids, tell me what we will write here. Yes, the spelling of 6. Write S-I-X. 6. 46. 4 6 46. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. S-I-X. 6. 46. Next number is 4 7 47. Yes kids, now we will write the spelling of 47. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Now write the spelling of 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 47. 4 7 47. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 47. Next is 4 8 48. So kids, write the spelling of 48. Kids, speak and write F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Now, what we will write here? Yes, the spelling of 8. So kids, speak and write E-I-G-H-T. 8. 48. 4 8 48. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 48. Kids, what comes after 48? Yes, very good kids. 4 9 49. 4 9 49. Now we will write the spelling of 49. So kids, speak and write F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Now we will write the spelling of 9. Very good kids. So speak and write 9. 49. 49. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. N-I-N-E. 9. 49. Kids, now you tell me, what is the spelling of 50? Yes. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. So kids, we will write the spelling of 50. Speak and write. F I F I F T Y. 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. 50. 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. So kids, do this work in your Maths Workbook 2, page number 9 and 10, like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.